Have you ever pondered upon the mysteries that the red planet Mars might be hiding? The enigma of Mars, our celestial neighbor, has intrigued humanity for centuries, sparking curiosity, wonder, and a thirst for discovery. The story of Mars began in the ancient times. Our ancestors, gazing up at the night sky, spotted a unique red dot amongst the sea of twinkling stars. They named this mysterious object after Mars, the Roman god of war, inspired by its fiery red hue that reminded them of blood and battle. This red appearance, as we know today, is due to the iron oxide or rust on its surface, giving it the moniker the Red Planet. In those early days, Mars was a source of fascination and speculation. Some believed it to be a celestial omen, a harbinger of war and conflict. Others spun tales of mythical beings residing on the planet, their imagination fueled by the planet's enigmatic nature. But the true exploration of Mars began with the invention of the telescope in the 17th century. Astronomers were now able to observe the planet in more detail, tracing its path across the sky, mapping its polar ice caps, and noting its rotational period. And as they peered closer, a tantalizing question arose. Could life exist on Mars? This question sparked a wave of speculation and debate. Some astronomers claimed to see channels or canals on the planet's surface, suggesting the possibility of Martian civilizations. Others noticed seasonal changes in the planet's color, hinting at the existence of vegetation. These theories, though largely discredited today, were the first steps in our ongoing quest to understand Mars. With the advent of technology, our quest to uncover the secrets of Mars took a giant leap forward, bringing us closer to the distant red sphere. But as we delve deeper into the mysteries of Mars, we find that every answer only leads to more questions, keeping the enigma of the red planet alive. This is the allure of Mars, a planet that continues to captivate us with its secrets and possibilities. Remember the widespread belief in the late 19th and early 20th centuries about the existence of canals on Mars? A time when the red planet was not just a distant celestial body, but a world teeming with possibilities of life and civilization. The intrigue began with the observations of Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli. In 1877, he reported seeing canali on Mars, an Italian term meaning channels. However, this term was mistranslated into English as canals, a word implying an artificial construction. This linguistic mix-up sparked a wave of Martian mania. The notion of an advanced Martian civilization building vast networks of canals caught the public's imagination. The fire was further fueled by the works of the American astronomer Percival Lowell. Lowell was captivated by Schiaparelli's observations and dedicated his life to studying Mars. He firmly believed in the presence of these Martian canals and hypothesized that they were built by Martians as a desperate effort to survive on a drying planet. This idea of an intelligent Martian civilization was not only captivating, it was transformative. It inspired a plethora of science fiction stories and influenced our perception of the cosmos. However, as technology advanced, the truth began to unravel. The Mariner and Viking missions of the mid-20th century revealed a different Mars, a planet with a harsh, barren landscape devoid of canals or any signs of intelligent life. The supposed canals turned out to be an optical illusion, a combination of low-resolution imagery and the human tendency to see patterns where none exist. Though the Martian canals turned out to be a myth, they fueled our fascination and further exploration of Mars. They are a testament to our relentless curiosity, our capacity for wonder, and our determination to solve the mysteries of the universe. The canals may not exist, but the spirit of exploration they embodied continues to drive our quest to understand Mars and our place within the cosmos. The 20th century marked the beginning of the Mars exploration era, didn't it? This period has been characterized by a series of missions, each one building upon the discoveries of the last, propelling us deeper into the fascinating realm of the red planet. Our first successful rendezvous with Mars came in 1965, with the Mariner 4 mission. This daring flyby gave us our first up-close views of the Martian surface, revealing a world of vast deserts and ancient craters. But that was just the tip of the Martian iceberg. In the decades that followed, our explorations became more sophisticated and our discoveries more profound. The Viking missions of the 70s, for instance, provided us with the first color panoramic views of Mars and conducted experiments that hinted at the possibility of microbial life. As we moved into the new millennium, the Mars Odyssey orbiter entered the scene. Its groundbreaking discovery? Vast amounts of hydrogen just below the surface suggesting the presence of ice, a glimmer of hope perhaps for the existence of life as we know it. Fast forward to the present day, and we have the Perseverance rover mission. This intrepid explorer is not just taking stunning photos of the Martian landscape, but also hunting for signs of ancient life and studying Mars geology and climate. These missions have given us a wealth of knowledge about Mars. We've learned about its volcanic activity, its polar ice caps, and the thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere that cloaks it. We've found compelling evidence of liquid water in its past, and possibly even in its present. But with every answer come new questions. The more we learn about Mars, the more enigmatic it becomes. We've barely scratched the surface of this alien world, and yet it holds so many secrets waiting to be unraveled. These missions have revolutionized our understanding of Mars, yet they have also deepened its mystery. Despite our leaps in technology and knowledge, Mars continues to baffle us with its enigmas, doesn't it? As we delve deeper into the Crimson Planet's secrets, newer mysteries continue to surface. One such puzzle is the phenomenon of recurring slope lineae, or RSL. These are dark streaks that appear and grow during the warmest Martian months, then fade in the colder months. They're fascinating because they hint at the possibility of liquid water on Mars. But wait a minute, isn't Mars too cold for liquid water? That's the mystery. Scientists speculate that it may be due to salty brines, but we're yet to get a definitive answer. Then we have the intrigue of methane spikes. Methane on Earth is majorly produced by living organisms, so when the Mars Curiosity rover detected unexpected bursts of methane, it raised a few eyebrows. Could this be a sign of Martian life? Or is it a result of some geological process? We are still seeking answers, and let's not forget the faint young sun paradox. This paradox suggests that the sun was much fainter during Mars's early days, implying that the planet should have been freezing. However, evidence points towards rivers, and perhaps even an ocean in Mars's past. So, how could water have flowed on a freezing planet? It's a riddle that continues to perplex scientists. These Martian mysteries are not mere puzzles for scientists to solve. They challenge our understanding of the red planet and hint at the potential for life. Each enigma brings along a tantalizing possibility that perhaps we are not alone in the universe. As we continue to probe Mars, each discovery peels back a layer, revealing further complexities and enigmas. We are like detectives, sifting through the clues that Mars presents us, trying to piece together its story. And what an intriguing tale it is turning out to be. With these unresolved mysteries, Mars continues to captivate our curiosity and thirst for discovery. As we look to the future, what might the exploration of Mars reveal? The next chapter of Mars exploration is already on the horizon, promising to take us deeper into the enigma of the red planet. Several space agencies and private companies have ambitious plans to send missions to Mars, each with their own unique objectives. NASA's Mars Sample Return mission, for instance, is set to launch in the late 2020s. The goal? To retrieve the samples collected by the Perseverance rover and bring them back to Earth. This mission could provide unprecedented insight into the Martian environment and its potential for past or present life. But it's not just about robotic explorers. The concept of human colonization of Mars has moved from the realm of science fiction to a tangible goal. SpaceX's Starship, a spacecraft currently under development, aims to transport humans to Mars as early as the mid-2030s. The vision? To establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars, making us a multi-planetary species. However, human habitation on Mars is an enormous challenge. It would require solutions to a host of issues, from the need for life-sustaining resources like water and breathable air, to protection from the planet's harsh radiation and extreme temperatures. Yet the prospect of stepping foot on Mars continues to fuel our collective imagination and drive technological innovation. Amidst these audacious plans, Mars continues to be a world of mystery. There's the enigma of the recurring slope lineae, the unexplained methane spikes, and the faint young sun paradox. As we delve deeper into the Martian conundrum, we may unearth answers to these and other questions, or we may uncover even more perplexing mysteries. Indeed, the future of Mars exploration is a journey into the unknown. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our enduring spirit of discovery. And as we stand on the precipice of this new era of exploration, we can only marvel at what lies ahead. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the red planet, who knows what astonishing revelations await us?